Guy's in sight with 5 HP. Nade it.
And long.
Damn, that up. Pit Viper up, bro.
What? Why? Why is this here?
Shut up.